Isn't it wonderful? Now we are fully into the spring, coming on to the summer. All the buds and the leaves are growing on the trees. Now a lot of the animals can hide. When the trees were bare, they were prone to all those different predators that lurks amongst the woods, especially in Leafy's wood. Lots and lots of predators visit Leafy's wood, you know. There's the sparrowhawk, there's the occasional owls, buzzards, kestrels, as you have seen, are in abundance here. And the most lethal of all is the peregrine falcon. He doesn't need to hide. He gets his prey from way up high. He dives down, the fastest bird on earth, travelling at over 200 miles per hour on a steep dive to his prey. A wonderful sight to behold. Not for the birds, but a wonderful sight to behold if you ever see it. If you're ever out and you see a bird circling above a wood, just circling and circling, away up high. It's a tiny, tiny little bird, it looks like. And then all of a sudden you see it diving. It's caught its eye on its prey, and it's swooping down to get it. That's the peregrine falcon. Easter's coming this weekend. All the Easter bunnies are coming out to play. Oh, what joy we used to have when we were young and got all those Easter eggs, all those chocolate Easter eggs.